Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to our channel. This is Sing, Play and Learn English Fun. Добрый день, дорогие друзья, и добро пожаловать на наш канал. Это программа Sing, Play and Learn English, где вы научитесь новым английским словам, повеселитесь и споете много песен. Ну что, поехали? Let's go! И сегодня мы с вами отправимся на ферму, где мы познакомимся с дружелюбными животными. And today we are going to the farm, where we're gonna meet farm animals. Oh, look! Who is here? This is cow, and she is here today to help me. Ой, посмотрите, кто же это пришел? Это корова, и сегодня она здесь с нами, чтобы мне помочь. Добрый день, корова, как ваши дела?
Все хорошо, а как вы?
Спасибо, и у меня все хорошо. Давайте споем песенку, ребята. Hello, cow, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Let's sing a song together. Sing along.
Hello, hello, what's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is Noodle. My name is Blossom. Nice to meet you. Hello, hello, what's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is Cheesy. My name is Broccoli. Nice to meet you. Hello, hello, what's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is Jelly. My name is Colonel. Nice to meet you. Let's be friends.
And now it's time to introduce our friends to other farm animals. Don't you think so?
Yes, of course.
Sure it is. А теперь давайте познакомимся с другими животными, которые живут на ферме.
Horse. Лошадь. Horse. Pig. Свинья. Pig. Goat. Коза. Goat. Cow. Корова. Cow. Sheep. Овечка. Sheep. Duck. Утка. Duck. Rooster. Петух. Rooster. Hen. Курочка. Hen. Turkey. Индейка. Turkey.
And now let's try a little faster. А теперь давайте попробуем немного быстрее.
Horse. Pig. Goat. Cow. Sheep. Duck. Rooster. Hen. Turkey.
And now let's sing a song about farm animals. А теперь давайте споем новую песню про животных, которые живут на ферме.
Sing
Поспеваем. Sing along.
along.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Meow. Oink. Moo. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say? Woof woof. Moo. Neigh. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack? Tweet tweet? Oink? With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck cluck? Oink? Ba? With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow? Moo? Quack quack? With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say? Ribbit? Meow? Cock-a-doodle-doo? With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.
And now we will play a game called Touch. You need to touch the card on your screen with the correct answer. Are you ready? А теперь мы поиграем в игру, которая называется Touch. Вам нужно дотронуться до карточки с правильным животным на вашем экране. Готовы? Поехали!
Touch horse. Great job. Touch cow. Excellent. Touch goat. Yes. Touch rooster. There you go. Touch hen. You're doing great. Touch duck. Yes, quack quack. Touch sheep. Great. Touch pig. Great job. Touch turkey. Excellent.
Very good, my dear friends. Great job. Ну что, ребята, молодцы, отлично поиграли. А теперь скажи-ка нам, дорогая коровка, как ты разговариваешь? And now tell us, my dear cow, how do you say hello? All right. And now let's play another game. Guess the farm animal. А теперь, ребята, давайте сыграем еще одну игру. Угадай животное.
What is it, what is it? I don't know. What is it, what is it? Hey, let's go. What is it, what is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a sheep. Great. What is it, what is it? I don't know. What is it, what is it? Hey, let's go. What is it, what is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a cow. Moo! What is it, what is it? I don't know. What is it, what is it? Hey, let's go. What is it, what is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a pig. Good job.
Very good, my dear friends. And now me and my friend Cow would like to know how well do you remember the farm animals. Очень хорошо, друзья. А теперь я и моя подруга Коровка хотели бы знать, как хорошо вы запомнили животных.
What is it?
That's right, it's a cow.
What is it?
Great job! It's a sheep.
What is it? Yes, it's a pig. What is it?
Excellent, it's a goat.
What is it? You're right, it's a rooster.
So, excellent job today, my dear friends. And now it's time to say goodbye.
Oh no!
But we're gonna sing a goodbye song. А теперь пора прощаться, к сожалению. Но мы на прощание также споем нашу любимую песенку. Пока-пока. Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go. Goodbye, goodbye. I don't wanna go. See you later, alligator. Bye, 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 butterfly. Goodbye.